Hanoi Real Estate Market Overview during COVID pandemic last 6 months 2020 and the first quarter 2021. 1. The quantity of new supply and sold condominium units in Hanoi. In the fourth quarter 2020, Hanoi Condominium market had the higher supply and sold unit than the first and the second quarter of 2020. However, the absorption percent was only 30%. This was the strange point of the market in 2020. In the past, the number of sold units of the last quarter was always from 50% to 80% of the supply units. This could be the result of the COVID pandemic in 2020. In the first quarter of 2021, the market had positive signals after so many supportive policies from the government, for example low interest rate, extension of the paying tax. And there was a significant shift of investment capital from gold, securities to real estate. The gap between the number of supply and sold unit was erased. Most of the new supply came from projects launched in the past, 14 projects, and there were only 3 totally new projects. 2. The primary price of Hanoi Condominium. Although the COVID pandemic affected seriously many businesses, the price of Hanoi Condominium still increased stably. In the first quarter of 2021, the average price in the market was $1,461 per square meter, increasing 3% compared with that of the fourth quarter in 2020. Especially, the price of the handover projects went up from 3% to 7% in hot areas such as Ba Dinh, Khao Yai, Nam Tu Liem District. 3. Hanoi has become the attractive destination for Big South developers. From the beginning of 2020, a lot of famous South developers such as Hung Tin Corporation, Phu My Hung Corporation, Novaland, Nam Long, Him Lam, and Masteri have showed their interest in Hanoi market. In the third quarter of 2020, this picture was witnessed more clearly. Why have they chosen Hanoi Real Estate? Firstly, the real estate market in the south has become scarce, apartments price in Ho Chi Minh City and some provinces have hit the high level. Secondly, the Hanoi real estate market still has a lot of space for growth, especially in terms of price. Thirdly, legal situation of the land is completed and clear. Fourthly, the infrastructure is improving synchronously and quickly. For all above reasons, many brand name developers in Ho Chi Minh City would gradually pour their investment into Hanoi projects that would significantly change the face of real estate market there. 4. The reason of the development of Hanoi real estate market. Early in 2021, Hanoi government adjusted the land price adjustment coefficient, K, which leads to an increase in land price in the long term. The coefficient K is the land price adjustment coefficient. The average coefficient K of central districts in Hanoi increased 17% to 22% in the period of 2019 to 2021. There was big investment for the development of infrastructure. The disbursement capital of the Ministry of Transport in 2020 reached VND 35,600 billion, 44% more than that in the same period last year, and is expected to reach VND 46,000 billion in 2021, 28% more than that in 2020. Sale price recently has increased by 45% to the record level, which leads to an increase of input costs, consequently pushing the price of new apartments rise by hundreds of millions, shop houses, adjacent houses, and villas by billion of dong. The participation of the South developers would set the new standard, new price for the Hanoi condominium market.